Are you a warehouse owner struggling with leaky roofs and costly repairs? Do you often worry about the impact of weather on your valuable inventory? If these concerns sound familiar, you're not alone. Many warehouse operators face the daunting challenge of maintaining a durable, waterproof roof that stands the test of time. A compromised roof can lead to significant financial losses, damaged products, and operational disruptions, making it essential to prioritize the integrity of your facility. But what if there was a reliable solution? Our expert warehouse roofing services are designed to provide you with peace of mind and protect your investment. With years of experience and a deep understanding of warehouse roofing challenges, we offer top-quality materials and craftsmanship tailored to your specific needs. From routine inspections to complete roof replacements, we ensure your warehouse remains safe and dry, no matter what Mother Nature throws at it. Don't let a leaking roof put your business at risk. Take action today. Contact us now for a free roofing consultation and safeguard your warehouse's future, or to know more details, visit our website link in description. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.